guys, it's Katie, and we are kicking off week 7 of the Summer Shape Up series. Like, I can't believe we got here. We are so close, and we're gonna finish strong together. So today we're gonna do a really fun workout. Whether you're outside at the beach or at home, this is a beach towel abs workout. All you gotta need is a little towel like this. So if you're ready to get your sweat on, sweat that thumbs up, and let's get started on the ground. All right, girls, so go ahead and grab that towel. The towel is great because it's really gonna add some resistance. It's gonna help you make sure everything is engaged, locked in tight. So our first one are gonna be some rainbows. So grab your towel just a little bit wider than shoulder distance. You're gonna lean back. So think about when we do like our Russian twist or boat pose twist, same idea, but we're gonna switch it up just a little bit to engage more of those obliques and more of your upper abs. Your feet can stay on the floor or float above. Chest stays lifted. Arms are gonna come more overhead. We're gonna pull it down to the left and then up and over to the right in a big rainbow. You go left and right. Good. Left and right. Pull that belly button in, draw it in toward the spine. Up and over. Pull that towel apart, so keep it engaged. Again, in opposite direction, so pulling with the right and the left arm. Pull, twist. We have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, come to center. You're gonna bring that towel behind your head, come all the way down for a moment. For bicycle, so you're gonna bring your grip a little bit closer. Let your head rest in the towel, but engage your arms to lift and support your head. Shoulders off the mat. You're gonna extend your right leg and bend your left knee as you bring your right elbow toward that left knee and twist. Fast or slow. Good. Again, you can always follow along with Natalie for those modifications. This move is the absolute best move to work on that six pack, so the abs right down the middle. And although you cannot target fat loss, right? You can't decide like, oh, I just want it right here on my lower belly. The more you work those muscles, the more fat you're gonna burn in your entire body, and the more muscle you're gonna have when you start losing that excess fat to show through. So twist, twist. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, rock and roll back up. That towel is gonna come underneath the knees this time. And you're gonna take an underhand grip, just at shoulders distance, so kind of tight. You're gonna lean back, so 2 options. You can keep your feet on the floor, lean back, and just pull yourself up. That's gonna work your back a little bit more, as well as those abs. Pull, out, and in. Or you can lift your feet, pull in, extend, pull in, extend. So get a nice grip on that towel. Your arms are adding here, so you're getting some bicep work to pull the legs in, but don't forget about your abs. Make them work too. Squeeze, squeeze. We have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, come on up to your knees. How you doing? Good. All right, so for this one, from your knees, you're gonna extend your left leg long out to the side. Grab that towel, bring it up overhead. Your body is gonna stay pretty much where it is in your lower body, but you're gonna lean as far as you can over to the right, get that big stretch down the side, and then pull it back up and squeeze the abs. Down and up, side and center. You're working both sides of the obliques here. It's, yeah, it really is a great stretch. You get that stretch and the work. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, exhale, pull it up. 3, 2, and 1. Come to center, switch it out. Same idea here. Arms up overhead. Reach big to that big stretch, and then back to center. Stretch and pull those abs in. Good. Yes, work, girls. Let's go, week 7. Woo! Working for that trip to Mexico. 8 more. pull the shoulders down your back. 4, 3, 2, and last one. Exhale, roll out the shoulders. I get a little extra work there too. Stretch it out big. Inhale overhead. Exhale, push your hips to the front, cactus the arms, stretch out the belly, and let it go. All right, so I know this is a lazy girl beach towel workout, but I just have to say, yeah, you work. This is not like if you're lazy. If you're lazy, you're not gonna be watching this video and doing the workout at all. But this is a more mellow, work the abs without like getting your heart rate up like crazy. So I do want you to do this 3 more times for a total of 4 rounds. Your abs are gonna be burning in the best way ever after this. You guys, I cannot wait to finish up these next couple of weeks with you. Like, I'm getting chills. Like, it's been so much fun. We are getting there. We're pushing toward that finish line. Keep going strong. Keep those check-ins on the Team LSF Instagram page and at Team LSF. And make sure you use the hashtag LSF Summer Shape Up so we can come see all of your check-ins. And don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. So we'll see you guys next week for another awesome workout. Bye.